Hi guys, recently I have to install a rear view camera upon my car and I needed to strip some wires, so I bought this Trooper wire cutter and strippers for rear viewing purposes, and I think that it's really nice because, well, first of all, you get a lock right here and they are really comfortable on the touch. We have this side the American wire gauge that goes from 26 up to 16 gauge of cables, which I think that it's nice. You have a versatile option of stripping all your wires, which I think that it's nice, and you have a little pliers in this side to hold off things, which I think that it's really nice. I had to buy them, as I've said, to install this rear view camera, and they work perfectly. That way with these pliers I could strip a section of the wire to install there another wire, which I think that it's nice. And overall, I think that they are nice. They have a really nice feel. This side is protected and cushioned with plastic, and overall, I think that they are great. I have it now on my toolbox and have it ready for anywhere when I need them, which I think that they are nice. So overall, if you can get one of these to strip or cut wire, depending on what you need, I would really recommend them.